I'm going to show you how to specify spot color for both Photoshop and for Illustrator. So I'm in Photoshop right now and I'm going to pick the orange 021C spot color for my t-shirt. So I'm going to go over here to the color picker and I'm going to click this color libraries, and these are all the Pantone guides. So I'm using the color bridge, and once I pull this up I can sort of just start typing. So if I go in orange, it's going to find it, orange 021C UP. Okay, and that's this color. So when I apply this color here in Photoshop, it will be the Pantone color. I can also in Photoshop open a set of swatches to pick from, but I'm not sure that you're going to be using that many Pantone colors, but if you wanted to, you could. So I'm using this uncoded guide. I'm going to append it or just replace it, and these are my colors. If you're using spot colors, it's probably easier to change your swatches panel so that it says list, and that way you can actually see the colors. I'm going to flip over to Illustrator, and okay, and then in Illustrator it's also very simple to pick your colors. Here are my swatches here, and what I like to do in Illustrator is I like to clean out my swatch panel so that the only thing in my swatch panel are the colors that I'm actually using in the design. So I'm going to click on my swatches panel and I'm going to say select all of the unused colors, and then I'm going to go down to the garbage can and I'm going to click delete because I like it to be nice and clean. So now I have my swatches panel and I'm going to pick my orange 21C. I'm going to go down here to these swatch sets and I'm going to go to color books, and there they are. So I'm going to go to my bridge uncoded and open this up, type in orange, okay, and then it's going to find it immediately. So here's my Pantone color, orange 21C. It's going to go right here in my swatches, and now I can go ahead and apply this color to anything I want to, and that's how you specify Pantone color.